Want daily crypto tasks that actually build your Web3 skills instead of just wasting your time? Layer 3 is where you need to look, and I'm about to break it down for you. Welcome back to Zero Cap Web3. If you missed our previous video on Zeely, check it out up there. It's the perfect foundation for what we're covering today. In this video, we'll walk through Layer 3, a curated platform for daily quests. These quests let you practice DeFi, NFTs, and community engagement without needing big capital. And if you're completely new to Web3, check our beginner playlist to get started. Let's dive right in. Head over to layer3.zis, you'll find the link in the description below. Connect your wallet, and boom, you're in. The interface is clean, which is refreshing because some platforms look like they were designed by someone having a caffeine overdose. Browse the Discover page for available quests. This is where the magic happens. Choose beginner-friendly options with low gas costs. Your wallet will thank you later. Don't be that person who spends more on gas fees than they could ever earn back. Follow each step carefully, both social and on-chain tasks. Layer 3 does a great job of breaking everything down, so you won't feel like you're trying to solve a cryptographic puzzle. Just follow the breadcrumbs, and you'll be fine. Here's a game changer. Use Layer 3's built-in smart wallet for easy transactions. It's like having training wheels for DeFi, but in a good way. No shame in making your life easier while you're learning. If this is helping you level up your Web3 game, smash that like button and subscribe to Zero Cap Web3 with notifications on. Claim your completion and screenshot the proof. This is crucial. Then add the task to your tracker with time spent, skills learned, and reward potential. Think of it as building your Web3 CV, one quest at a time. The real magic happens when you consistently complete these quests over time. You're not just earning potential rewards, you're building actual skills and creating a portfolio that shows you know how to navigate Web3. That's what separates the serious builders from the airdrop farmers. That's how you complete a Layer 3 quest, simple and skill-focused. Keep practicing, keep logging, and you'll build a portfolio worth showing to any Web3 project. The key is consistency, not perfection. Comment L3 if you're ready to start your Layer 3 journey today. And if this video helped you level up your Web3 game, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure you're subscribed to Zero Cap Web3 with the notification bell turned on so you never miss our latest Web3 tutorials and opportunities. Share this with someone who's trying to break into Web3, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore even more ways to build your Web3 reputation. Until then, keep building.